Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to our spelling and reading adventures. In this lesson, we will spell and read words with a silent B and D. Come, spell and read with me. Repeat after me. Bomb. B-O-M-B. Let's spell the word again. B-O-M-B. Bomb. Let's read the sentence. Say, the bomb is about to explode. The bomb is about to explode. Lamb. L-A-M-B. Let's spell the word again. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Read the words after me. Mary has a little lamb. Mary has a little lamb. Climb. C-L-I-M-B. Let's spell that again. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Let's read a sentence. The boy climbs the tall tree. The boy climbs the tall tree. Limb. L-I-M-B. Let's spell the word again. L-I-M-B. Limb. Read the words after me. The woman stretches her limbs. The woman stretches her limbs. Thumb. T-H-U-M-B. Let's spell that again. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. Let's use thumb in a sentence. The boy puts his thumb up. The boy puts his thumb up. Comb. C-O-M-B. Let's spell the word again. C-O-M-B. Comb. Let's read the sentence. Rena uses a comb. Rena uses a comb. womb. W-O-M-B. Let's spell that again. W-O-M-B. Womb. Read the words after me. There is a baby in the womb. There is a baby in the womb. Gadget. G-A-D-G-E-T. Let's spell the word again. G-A-D-G-E-T. Gadget. Read the words after me. The man uses lots of gadgets. The man uses lots of gadgets. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Let's spell that again. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Let's read the sentence. Mom buys the groceries every Wednesday. Mom buys the groceries every Wednesday. Great job, children! You did it! Remember to always practice so you can improve your reading and spelling skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like, subscribe, and share.